Easy habit hack. No willpower required. Boost productivity. Now the pursuit of productivity is a constant endeavor. Traditional methods often require significant willpower, which can be exhausting and unsustainable over time. In this essay, we explore an innovative approach that eliminates the need for willpower, the easy habit hack. The problem with willpower is a finite resource, depleting as it's used throughout the day. This phenomenon, known as ego depletion, can lead to decreased productivity and motivation. Baumeister et al., 1998. Enter the easy habit hack. The easy habit hack is a strategy that focuses on establishing easy-to-maintain habits, which require minimal willpower. By making small changes in daily routines, experience significant productivity boosts without relying on depleting reserves of self-control. Case study: the 2-minute rule. One such example is the 2-minute rule, popularized by productivity expert David Allen. This rule suggests that if a task takes less than 2 minutes to complete, one should do it immediately instead of adding it to a to-do list. Allen, 2015. By removing small tasks from the mental load, free up mental space for more complex, time-consuming projects. The power of automation. Another aspect of the easy habit hack is automation. Automating routine tasks reduces the need for willpower and allows individuals to focus on high-value activities. For example, setting up recurring payments for bills or creating email filters can save time and mental energy. Fogg, 2016. The role of environment. Environment plays a crucial role in the easy habit hack. By structuring one's environment to facilitate productivity, minimize the need for willpower. This could involve setting up a dedicated workspace, organizing files, or even arranging furniture to promote focus. Duke University, 2021. The importance of celebrating small wins. Recognizing and celebrating small victories is another essential component of the easy habit hack. Acknowledging progress can boost motivation and reinforce positive behaviors, making it more likely that new habits will stick. Lally et al., 2010. The key to success: consistency. Consistency is key when implementing the easy habit hack. Small changes made consistently over time can lead to significant improvements in productivity. By focusing on easy-to-maintain habits, reduce willpower demands and increase their overall productivity. Duke University, 2021. By focusing on small changes, automation, environment, celebrating small wins, and consistency, experience sustained improvements in their productivity levels.